Hey guys, welcome back to Destination Full-Time. We are here with Caitlin this week. Now, you might remember Caitlin from a previous video about, I think we did it maybe a year and a half ago, when we did a walkthrough of her Montana fifth wheel. Now, she has since upgraded to yet another Montana, but this time the 3123 RL is the model we're going to walk through today.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Full-Time.
Caitlin, what drew you to this RV?
Well, first of all, it's like 5 or 6 inches or 5 or 6 feet shorter than my previous one, so I thought I'd have more flexibility, and I really liked the pantry.
The one thing that Caitlin didn't mention is that she is a single female RVer, so she has to do all this herself. Now, me and Julie, you know, I do all the outside stuff, all the hard work, right, Caitlin?
That is hard work.
Yeah, and then she does the easy stuff inside. Yeah, we all know how that works. Caitlin has to do it all, so when she's tired from setting up the outside, she's got to come in and do the inside as well. So you wanted something a little bit shorter so you could get into more places, more national parks, state parks,
right,
things like that. And you got no spotter, so you have to be able to back this thing in pretty much anywhere, right? Unless you get a pull-through site.
Exactly.
All right, let's start right here in the living room. Let's start with the entertainment center. So what do we have here, Caitlin?
So, okay, so the nice thing about this model that the other model did not have is there is storage behind
oh, wow, yeah,
the TV. So I have a place for all my games, all my electronics. So this was a nice added feature in the 2024 that the 2021 did not have.
So you got a fireplace down here. That's not on, but it's there. And it does generate heat, and it will pretty much heat up this room, I'm sure.
Yes.
Ours does anyway. You got the JBL sound system, and then some storage up on top. Now, come around to the couch. You got nice little end tables here. You can put stuff on. You got outlets. Looks like a USB outlet and a regular outlet. And this couch folds out to a bed, so that's really nice if you have guests.
Exactly, with the storage underneath.
Yep. And cabinets up here, lots of storage up here. That's really nice. Now show us what we got over here. We've got fancy recliners. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. Look at this. With a push of a button. Look at that. Ah, that's nice. Alright, I'm going to take a nap, and we'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Well, I got me a little nap in, so now Caitlin's going to explain these chairs because they do lots of things.
Well, what I like about this is that it does have the lumbar support, it reclines, and it does massage, but what it doesn't do that my other one did is heat. But I do like that it adjusts the headrest and the lumbar.
But no heat, you said, right?
But no heat.
No heat
they took out the heat to do that.
Oh, okay. Well, you can't have it all, I guess. Now, you might be asking yourself, wait, I've looked at this model before, and it didn't have this table. Tell us about this table.
So I removed the kitchen table, and I bought this desk because even though, another one of the reasons why I downsized in length was my old RV had the office. The mid bunk, which was my office, and then I retired, so I thought, okay, I don't need that office anymore, so I went with just putting in a desk so I could eat here if I want to, or I can just still have a desk without having to have an entire room dedicated to my office.
Perfect. And you added some storage with this desk, right?
Exactly.
So even better, right? Yep, for sure. Now, Caitlin's already told us that her favorite thing about this is the pantry. Let's check the pantry out.
All right. So on this side,
Oh.
you have all of this storage. This is actually considered a coffee bar. It does have the outlet there. This does light up on this side. And then on the other side, it just has a lot of storage. So I kind of have it as a pantry slash where I keep all of my cooking ware. And then I still have the nice cabinets up above.
Now I remember in your other RV you had your air fryer and toaster oven, whatever this is. This is like the 9-in-1 or whatever, right?
Correct.
You had that on a little end cart, and you've added that as well in this one, so that's pretty cool. Now tell me about your residential fridge. Is this the 12-volt residential fridge?
Yes. So
okay.
This is the 12 volt. So basically, when I'm traveling, the inverter goes. I turn the inverter on, and then it stays cold during travel. Now I will be honest. This is a completely different stove oven than my old one, but I really like my Ninja, so I kept it, and I have never used that oven, so I don't know if it would be better than my old one. The whole reason I got this was because my old RV didn't really cook well.
Okay, so one thing I want to point out is look at the attention to detail underneath here. You got these cabinets where there's lighting underneath, so it just lights up your drawers and cabinets and whatnot. It has it underneath the island as well. Then you got your oven and stove, and then I'm assuming this is what is
the
this?
Electrical.
Power, yeah.
Yes.
So you got a power jack right here as well. And that, look, all kind of drawers over here. I'm going to take the camera from Julie to show you the backside of the island. Look at this. Drawers and cabinets. Looks pretty much like an island, right? One thing it does not have, I'm very disappointed, Caitlin. Doesn't have a dishwasher.
It does not have a dishwasher.
Mm.
But I'm a person of one, so I don't really
Not
use
a lot of
dishwasher.
dishes. Not a lot of dishes. Yeah. Cool pendant lighting up here. We just don't have it turned on. And the other thing I wanted to point out is we have a fan. Not on either, but we have a fan. And that is the living area, kitchen area of this RV. Now, let's go check out the bathroom area. But we're going to stop in the hallway to show an upgrade that Caitlin made. Let's go check it out. We're in the hallway, and we're going to show you a modification that Caitlin had done to this, because let me tell you, this is not stock. Tell us about it.
So when I bought the RV, it comes with out the door and just these 3 cubbies. And I asked them, I need a door. So, because I did not like the look of this. When you walk in the front door, the first thing you see is, I didn't want it to see a bunch of mess. So Keystone did, or my dealership did search, and this is not a size that's on any of this model. They had to go to a different model to find a door, but they finally did that matched pretty closely. And so now I have 2 doors when you walk in, and I can cover up my mess.
And this is your control panels behind here?
Yes. So this, it did come with it, and there is another little cubby here. So I don't know exactly why they didn't.
Now this is the, now is this the Legacy?
This is the Legacy.
Okay, so this model I forgot to mention at the start is a Legacy edition of this model, and it comes with the in-command system, which you can control pretty much everything in the RV, right? Electronically.
You can, and you can control it through
your phone as well, right? Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Well, let's go on up to the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom. Now this is a nice sized bathroom. Here's your shower. This is almost identical to the shower we have in our RV. It's very big, easy to get into. Got a bench over here that you can sit down and shave your legs. Not that I shave my legs, but you know, the girls do. And then a nice sink. Lots and lots of storage, guys. Lots of storage. Bathroom. And just to make Matt happy from Matt's RV reviews, this would be what we consider a prime pooping position. So this would work well for a big guy like me. Now, let's head to the bedroom. We're in Caitlin's bedroom. Remember, she's single. We've got, is this king size bed?
This is king size.
King size bed in here, guys. Plenty of room on both sides. Tell us about it, Caitlin.
So, it is a king size bed. As you'll notice, I have like this lump because my other bed was a queen. So I do have my mattress topper from the queen on it. I'm still trying to decide if I want to cut this bed down to a queen or keep it as a king. I did cut my other bed down, and I liked having the extra walk around space, but that decision is still up in the air. In the closet, it's the exact same closet that was in my other model. In fact, the entire bedroom is exactly the same. So plenty of storage here, shelving underneath here, storage behind the clothes on both sides. It does have the laundry hamper, and then
I'm not seeing a lot of empty space in there for another person.
well, okay, this is my prime thing. When I first moved in here, all I could get was one season of clothing in my closet at a time. I had to store all my opposite season stuff, so I am down to all seasons in my closet, and I feel like I have a whole lot of extra room. So
Now, hold on 1 minute here. I just want to zoom in a little bit on this, not to, you know, get creepy and pry into her closet. But I just want to point out something for you guys that are full-time, or even if you're not full-time and you want to get more storage space out of your closet. Check out these little extensions here. You can hang multiple clothes, and it takes up basically like what one shirt would, but you've got 3 different things hanging there, so it's a better use of space. If you recall, in her last RV, she did not get it with a washer and dryer. And her good old buddy Jason drilled a hole in the side of our RV and installed a washer dryer. This time, I don't know if I did a bad job that she didn't want me to do it again, but this time she had it done at the dealer. So that's what's behind door number 2.
all right, so back here, and I did get a different washer and dryer. And so I did go with the Splendide this time, and I just have all the extra space. It is the washer dryer combo, vented. They did drill the hole to put the vent out there. And then I'm very proud of my little upgrade here. I did install this magnetic door stopper or holder.
You can find those on my Amazon page too if you're interested in getting those.
So it's just very nice. I don't have to put a shoe or something in front of the door now to keep it open while I'm doing my laundry. So that was a nice feature.
Perfect. Now, right behind me, you see the bedroom TV. There you go. And that is a tour of the inside of Caitlin's RV. Now we're going to go outside and see what we got outside. We're on the outside of Caitlin's RV. Again, this is the Montana Legacy Edition of the 3123 RL Legacy Edition. So, show us the outside.
All right. So one thing I did opt for was the full body paint.
It's beautiful, by the way, guys. Very, very, very nice. We have full body paint as well. We love it. How are you liking yours?
I love it, and it matches my truck, so I kind of like that. Under here, so my other RV did have an outdoor kitchen. This one does not, but I do really like watching TV outside. So I kept the TV, and I just kind of made my own little outdoor entertainment center.
Come on in here, Julie. Look at all this storage. This is like double what we have.
It is a lot of storage.
This is a lot of storage, guys. Oh, and one thing we didn't talk about on the inside was it has the vacuum system. So this is what this is back here. That's your vacuum bag if you use the onboard vacuum system. If you look at the steps, we'll go back inside and look at it in a minute. I forgot totally to look at that before. Anyway, lots of storage. What else is unique out here? Anything?
Just the in-command system is there, so I can access it if any repairs, and
yep,
that's the storage.
Nice.
And this is my happy place.
That's right. That's right.
And then, of course, this is just the propane.
These are our propane tanks. Now, she did get it. I guess this comes, or did you add this? The side cameras?
No, the cameras come with the Legacy.
Okay.
So that is a Legacy feature.
Nice.
There's 2 side and a rear.
Yep. We're on the business side of Caitlin's RV now. So you can see the slide out we have here, and we have the other side of storage. So you added a water filtration system.
I did. And on this side is the other side. Now
she's got it loaded with stuff, guys.
Now the other item with the 2024 was the new leveling system. So That is new, and that can also be
Electronic.
done through an app on my phone. Another feature of the Legacy model is the electrical can be pulled in.
I'm jealous of that. I really, really, really wish I had that on my RV.
And then another Legacy item are the disc brakes. So it comes with the disc brakes.
Oh, it does come with disc brakes. Very, very nice. Now, I noticed that it is not a on-command water heater.
Right.
So it's tanked water heater.
Tanked water heater.
I like those better personally, so I think that's just fine.
And then I guess just in the back we just have our backup camera, and I do believe for the 2024 they redesigned the back window to make it more of like a carve out.
So one thing I did want to point out is that the Legacy version of this RV comes with a pre-installed hitch. So Caitlin's taken that hitch and put this shelf on it so she can haul her generator as well. So very nice. And of course, she's got a ladder here that she's able to carry her ladder on her ladder. Great thing, ladder, carrying a ladder, right?
Yes,
but
I'm not the tallest, so I do need my 8-foot ladder to reach many things. In fact, I need the ladder to get up on the ladder.
Yeah, right. All right, and then the main slide also has a awning on it as well, which is really nice. And they've got lights on the awnings as well. I think that pretty much covers it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, Caitlin, so much for letting us do a tour of your home. This is not a regular RV. This is a home. Caitlin lives in this full time. Remember, guys, she's single. Plenty of room for another person in here. This is a great couples coach. Really, it is a great couples coach. High end. I mean, I can't say anything bad about the unit. It's beautiful. Full body paint just pops. It looks great. If you're interested, you know where to go. Montana, right? So really, that's about all that we have for you guys today. So I appreciate you coming along with us on this tour. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, we hope that you find your next destination. Thanks for watching.
Living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.